Is it oversimplification to say that it's really the concern about AI overvaluations dragging down the markets?
I think that's what the pundits are pinning it on. But yes, it is an oversimplification. There are a lot of things going on all at once on the macro stage, certainly in terms of foreign interest rates, both in Japan and in the UK. There are issues here in the United States with respect to whether the Fed is going to cut rates again in December. There are tariff issues still looming, China issues still looming, and then all coming back to affordability and questions around consumption here in the U.S.
Yeah, and Nvidia going to have its earnings later, and as we just heard, that stock down 9% already this month. What are we looking for coming out Thursday? And do you think there's any way that if indeed it comes out strong, could it shore up the bottom line?
It might be able to shore up the bottom line. I think there'll be more questions than there will answers. There certainly will be, I expect no doubt, for all the metrics to be incredibly strong. It's just a question of whether the market goes ahead and takes it as a sense of confidence or just leaves it with the question of, well, Nvidia seems to be well, but frankly, it's only doing well because it's getting the circle jerk of a bunch of capital that's coming to it from a bunch of other players in the industry, like Meta, like Amazon, like OpenAI, and so forth. Is there a problem with this very tight circle of very large companies that seem to be financing one another?
David, one more question about AI. Do you think that some people still remember getting burned so bad in the late 90s? They're concerned if it is overvalued, if there's this big bubble, it could be the same thing as the dot-com crash in the late 90s.
I mean, with all due respect to the people that have that sense, first of all, I was around for then. Many investors in the marketplace, though, today were not around then. Right. The second thing is that we have companies that are gargantuan with incredible cash flows. It's really just a question of whether the build out and demand for AI data centers, electricity, chips are all going to be as robust as we expect. And frankly, there's no reason to think that it won't be. Right? I mean, the concern now is that we're just going too far, too fast. I honestly believe, Sean, that after this, whatever trough is over, we could rise meteorically to new highs in a very short period thereafter. This is just really about speculation to the downside, and then it may be very well followed by speculation to the upside again.
I want to ask you about crypto too, because you obviously very close to that, and it's taken a significant hit. What is driving that, and are you concerned that this could go down significantly more?
Again, there is no reason for the crypto sell-off, to be honest with you. I mean, it's a knock-on effect maybe from the AI concerns, also maybe some leverage in the system where people were borrowing in order to put on their positions. But the Trump administration has made it clear that over the next remaining 3 years of their term, they're going to tokenize everything. The president's interests are aligned with any crypto holders because of the president's family's holdings and various business interests in the cryptocurrency sector. And we're only going to get a massive proliferation of stablecoins coming in 2026. And then the Clarity Act, which is supposed to bring market condition reform to the markets, that is only going to go ahead and buttress the current really good environment that we have.